Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Located in Pingzhen, Taoyuan County, the Jingshan Opera Company comes from a line of acting royalty. The parents of Lin Bao Mu, the owner of the troupe, are both famous actors in Hakka plays. Many relatives are also actors, making this a family affair. It's also one of the few troupes that performs innovative Hakka operas that appeals to a younger audience. They've thrown out the old Hakka theater style and used new scripts and stage techniques. One of their most notable plays is Legend of White Snake, the tale of a snake transformed into a beautiful woman.
Welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling, and today maybe Leo can take us to different parts of Taiwan, maybe some townships that feature different performing groups again. 其实有的时候我们到这个乡镇去呢，是要来去了解那边当地的一些文化跟美食。但是有的时候呢，是要去找那边呢，可能有一些知名的表演團體啊。
超去看戲啦，看戲。
去看戲，看戲。Okay, that means go watch a play or something. 今天带我们去哪儿呢？
今天就带大家去讨厌烟的品镇市。
我好喜欢去讨厌的讨厌烟。没有 ，That's how you say 桃园 or 桃园 County in Hakka. 讨厌烟 ，OK 的哪一个？
平镇市。
平镇市 ，OK. This is not too far away from Taipei. 那这个团体叫什么呢？
景生戏劇團。
戲劇團，那是戲劇團的意思嘛？
對。
The last three words I know that means a performance group, but 前面应该就是它的这个抬头了，
没错，
叫什么？
就是景生，就是谨慎。
谨慎 that is the name of the performing group. OK. 这个他专注在于哪一些戏剧吗？
其实它是一个老的剧团，只是后来在改名字。
那他们有什么比较有名的一些表演吗？
有啊，有很多。我举一个最有名的例子就是胖娘子传奇。
胖娘子传奇，什么的传奇嘛？
对。
胖娘子
就是白娘子，白娘子传奇，
白蛇传的另外一个说法，是不是 ？Okay, they have a lot of different plays that you can enjoy, but one of the most famous one is actually based on a legend called Legend of White Snake, and that's something you can go watch. 白娘子传奇。
胖娘子传奇
Okay, so go check that out if you have time, and let's go ahead and review these terms. 他们叫做景盛戏剧团。
景盛戏劇團。
景盛戏剧团 and when you go to 桃园烟 next time you can go check them out, alright? That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只是张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.